Billy boy! How you feeling, Billy?
Feeling good.
This is how far we've gone. There's the shore. And that is how far we still need to go, if you can even see it. So we're making good time. Catch you for the next update. All right, Billy and his new friends. You guys going out fishing. And then we got shipping container. All right, Billy. We're still doing well, man. The cute little birds. Dang. Container ship, Billy, and a pelican. All right, that's how far we've gone, if you can see the shore. Anyway, and that's how far we still have to go. Mr. Seal! There's a seal behind me, but I don't know where he is. Can you see him, Billy?
I can't see him. I thought it was a whale.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Is that a seal?
I thought so.
Let's keep paddling and see.
Oh, look at these birds coming too.
Well, here come the birds for all the fish. Whoa. Mr. Pelican. He's gone.
Wow.
There's Billy. Oh, did you paddle away from it? Well, we saw like a fish jump, so we figured there's probably sharks. Here's Billy running from the sharks. They'll never catch him. All right, I'll catch you later. Billy, what are all these birds doing out here, man? You think it's gotta be sharks, right? I'm not sure what else it would be. Well, that's how far we've gone, if you can see anything. Probably just fog. But there's the island. There's Stud Muffin Billy. And there's all the birds. All right. We've gone like 7.5 miles.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay. There's all the jet skiers. You're going a tad quicker than we are. Yep. How you doing, Billy?
I'm doing great.
All right.
Loving it.
Still cruising. That's how far we've gone. All right. Catch you later. There's the smokers from Waterworld. Hey, Billy. There he is. How you doing, Billy?
Doing good.
There's Mr. Bird. There's all right, little update. It's 10:15 a.m. We started at 6:20 a.m. and we are, let me see how far we've gone. We've gone almost 13 miles, so not too much longer. All right, doing pretty well. We'll take that. All right. Quick update. It is now 11:16, so we've almost been going 5 hours, and we're probably at close to like 16.25 miles. There's Billy. The nice wave. There's Catalina. There's a sailboat. And there's Newport, or sorry, Long Beach, if you can see it. Anyway, this is an update on us. It's getting a little tiring here toward the end. Still doing great. Yeah, should be done in 6 hours, which is what I wanted. All right, quick update. We are at 18 miles. We've been paddling for 5.5 hours. And there's Billy. Smiling. Our campsite's right up there. So I think we're gonna keep going. Alrighty. Guess I'll see you later. That's what we've crossed today. A lot of ocean. I mean, there's dolphins out there. Oh, there they are. I think they're coming this way. Crazy. Oh. Oh shit, dude. There they are. Unreal. Here he comes. What the? Crazy. Well, that was wild. They put on a show for us. Oh man. Dolphins are something else.
I've never seen them that close.
Finally made it. There's Billy. Alright, I gotta focus now. Going in, don't want to crash. Nope. There it is, touchdown. Made it, baby. I think it's like 22 miles, but I'll check with you. Okay, so me and Billy just arrived at the campsite. And now we have to go meet up with the rest of our group. So we're gonna go this way and see if we can find them. And there's Billy right there. So I'll catch up with you when we find the rest of the group. By the rest of the group, I mean Liz, Autumn, and Nick. All right, see you soon. There they are. I can video with this. You two are the. Oh, look at Nick, like a boss.
Psycho.
There's Nick. Pelican. Hello, Mr. Pelican. Oh, cool spot.
up, Nick?
Yeah!
Nick's boat has a fin on the bottom of it.
How you doing, man?
Oh, wait.
There's our camp all set up. Nick. Okay, we're good.
Good?
Yeah. Here he goes. Woo! Nice job, Billy. All right, Nick. Tell our audience what we're doing right now. Now, where are we kayaking to?
We're gonna check out some sea caves, bruh.
Yeah. Here's our view. And then there's me. And then there's Bra.
What's up, bruh?
And then there's the open ocean. Alright. I will update you in just a minute. Alright. Nick and I are going to explore this cave up here. So let's do it. Whoa. Alright, I think we're good, Nick. It's kind of cool. There goes Billy into the cave. Alright, we're going to a new cave. Oh, you need a lens cleaning. Does that help? Alright. Alright, Nick's steering us in. Kind of. To the cave. You got us, Captain? Yeah. Alright. Sea cave. Are we getting sent out of here? Back to sunshine. How you doing, Nick? There's Billy in there. Well, we made it in here, barely. just go see. We know. Okay. Come on, Nick. This park is like, it's just so much fish. There's Billy. There's me. Watching. Holy shit! Huge! You're also, I'll swim out, okay? He's coming? Okay. I think. Seriously, rough water, man. Captain the vessel as I record. Alright, I guess we out of here. Okay. Alright, Nick. Back us out. Oh, thanks for the heads up. Hey, Billy.
Like he was like, you're safer if you stay closer to shore. I don't really know actually what he was saying. I was kind of like, yeah.
That makes sense.
I was kind of like not listening, but Liz
Oh,
was.
he's videoing right now.
Yeah.
You got a good arm, Nick.
Look. Yeah, see, it looks good. Look.
Look.
It still smells like hair products. Like it still
No,
smells
this
good.
is set.
No.
6 days?
Smells great.
Yeah, I haven't washed it in 6 days.
6 days.
6 days. Look, here's Nick. Yo, Nick.
Playing with the shoes.
Nicholas.
Oh no!
Liz, what mountain house were you having?
I'm glad you're using that shoelace though.
What trick?
Are you eating dinner ready now?
No, I'm just like, I don't know which one shows you out.
That she can have?
I don't think I'm gonna eat a mountain house, if I'm being honest.
All right, me and Billy just started, but today the winds and the currents are blowing us north, and we're trying to go to Long Beach, but we keep being blown off our path. But we're gonna do it and be just fine. All right, catch up with you later. Quick update: 4.5 miles, kind of windy out here. Here comes the big waves. But still doing fine. Billy's around here, so there he is. All right, catch up with you later. Here's me. 8 miles in. Billy's somewhere back there, but he'll be around. All right, 12 to go.
Wow.
Crazy.
Oh no.
All right, I think we're a little over 10 miles. Getting a little stormy. It's not as smooth as it was. Let's see, where's Billy at? Billy's back there somewhere. Sorry, I'm not looking. Anyway, making progress. Our jet ski friends. sitting at 4 hours paddled. We've gone 15 miles. And honestly, I don't want it to end. Makes me sad that there's only 5 miles left. Today we've seen tons of dolphins. Billy saw a shark and a whale. And it's just been beautiful. All day. Well, there's our end point. All right. It's like the Coast Guard or something. Anyway, 3 miles away. Here come the waves. Woo! Woo! Alright, well, we got like 2 miles left. There's the shore. There's Billy boy. Alright. Alright, getting ready to finish up. There's Billy. It's Cabrillo Beach. Almost done. 22 miles later. Alright.